Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. Welcome to the biology class. Today we will discuss the lung cancer. Cancer actually is a disease in which uncontrolled cell division takes place. So in lung cancer, there is an uncontrolled cell division in the lung tissues, and these tissues divide without any control, and then they form the tumors. And then these tumors not remain in the lungs; they also grow in different areas, and they invade there, and they where new tumors are formed. So this is some malignant cancers are formed in different areas like pancreas, in oral cavity, and even in air passageway. In different areas there cancers are formed. So this is a very serious disease, and actually this is the most common cause of death in cancer related disease, and almost 1.3 million deaths take place annually because of this lung cancers. So this is very serious disease. And what are the most common symptoms of this disease? In this, there is a shortness of breath, coughing, and weight loss take place. And then next paragraph is about the causes of cancer. What are the different causes? Like carcinogens, which causes like cigarette smokes, ionizing radiation, and viral infection. These are basic causes of lung cancer. In all these causes, smoking is the main cause of lung cancer. सबसे ज़्यादा lung cancer किसकी वजह से होता है? That's because of smoking. Actually, smoking because if we look at the non-smokers, they have less chances of lung cancers. Okay, cigarette smoke actually contain over 50 known carcinogenic substance. That's why lung cancer is more in person who smokes. Okay, not only person who smoke cigarette, he only affect from the cigarette smoke, but the person who is nearby the person who is smoking, that is called the passive smoking. जो smoking नहीं भी कर रहा और smokers के पास बैठे हुए हैं, but because of smoke he become the passive smoker. So passive smoker also have can cause lung in him or her there is also a lung cancer. Okay, actually the smoking from the burning end of cigarette means upper area of the cigarette there is more danger from the filter end. So it means smoking from tobacco smoke, cigarette smoke, there is a more chances of lung cancer. Okay, elimination of tobacco smoking is one of the primary cause of goal of health organizations. A different organization in the world, they are working and they want to eliminate tobacco smoking, and therefore they want to ban on tobacco advertising. So there is a it prevents from the young people from taking up smoking. Okay, if it's very important कि smoking को reduce किया जाए. Okay. अच्छा, there is another important thing, like अगर person who smokes, if he stop smoking करना ख़त्म कर देता है, then lung cancer or other disease like वो जो उसका lung damage हुआ है, it can be reduced, and even it gradually repair, and his contaminated particle gradually remove from his body. So अगर आप smoking छोड़ देते हो तो then gradually smoking का जो effect है वो आपकी body से वो reduce हो जाता है. तो this is very important that you should avoid smoking, and if you are smoking then you will आप उसको ख़त्म कर दें. Okay, next one is bad effects of smoking. This is the cancerous mass formed in the lung because of the smoking. Okay, next topic is bad effects of smoking. Smoking के क्या bad effects होते हैं? Okay, smoking is very harmful because cigarette smoke or tobacco smoke contain about 4,000 different chemicals. 4,000 different chemicals are present in smoke of the cigarette or tobacco. and out of which 50 are carcinogens, means that can cause cancer. So they are very harmful effects of smoking, that is contain 4,000 different chemicals. Okay, for example, one of the chemical is nicotine, which is a powerful poison, and in past it's used as insecticide, means used to kill the insects in the past. Or this is one of the chemical present in the smoke of the cigarette, and when basically it reach into the circulatory system of the smoker, and it what happened, it hardened the walls of the arteries. Walls को क्या कर देता है, hard कर देते हैं. It also damage the brain tissues. So think about that. Nicotine is also used in the cigarette smoke. So it's very harmful. Okay, normally I thought that smoking only affect the lungs, but it's not like that. Smokers is affected from head to toe, यानी आपका पूरा body जो है it's affected from the smoking from your head to toe. It's very, and the smoker have high risk of different disease. बहुत सारी disease जो है उसके बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं. Okay, for example, okay, look at this diagram. Then this is the normal lung of person, and this is the smoker's lung. Look at this, it's black color and totally damaged. So it's very harmful effect on our lungs. Okay, there is also another information that Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st May on every year. Okay, we are discussing smoking effects. Okay, the smoking form cancers not only lung, in different areas like kidney, oral cavity, larynx, breast, bladder, and pancreas. They all these cancer can form by smoking. Okay, and they also damage our air passageways, and which then lead different disease like of respiratory disorders like emphysema and other disorders. So it's very bad effects. And smoking also affect our circulatory system, and because it contains carbon monoxide gas, and then this carbon monoxide gas basically reduce the hemoglobin capability to transport oxygen in our body, यानी ऑक्सीजन को वो कम transport करने लगी. That's is very alarming effect. And then other effects on, like it increases the production of blood platelets ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. It means then their blood become more viscous, and then result in the disease like atherosclerosis. आपकी arteries भी thick हो जाती हैं. That's also a very bad effect of smoking. Or another effect of smoking is that it also increase the risk of different developing infections like tuberculosis is increased when 2 to 4 times if person smokes, and pneumonia by 4 times. So it's also very dangerous effect of smoking. And smoking also responsible for weakening and staining of teeth. Teeth पे भी बहुत harmful effect है. Tooth loss is 2 to 3 times in higher in smokers than in non-smokers. So it also affect on tooths. And there is also non-smokers who exposed from smoked. They also have risk of heart disease about increased हो जाता है. 25 to 30% heart disease जो है उनमें उनके chances increase हो जाते हैं. And lung cancer is about 20 to 30 times. So it's non-smokers also have different disease, and their chances of disease is increased many times. And smoking also affect the not only he have different disease, but also affect the social life of the person. Poor people don't like to around him, उसके पास नहीं बैठना चाहते हैं, यानी he face the social unacceptance or social stigma because other people do not want to be exposed to the other smoke. दूसरे के smoke से जाहिर है they will not affected, नहीं चाह रहे कि वो affect होंगे. Okay, this is the bad effects of smoking. Okay, I think it's the end of chapter, and now it's MCQs. MCQs, first MCQs is the process of gaseous exchange involves. Its answer is getting oxygen from the air and removing carbon dioxide. Number 2, most of the gaseous exchange in leaf occurs through. कैसे होती है gaseous exchange leaf में? Through stomata. And number 3, how many bronchi are there in air passageway? कितने bronchi हैं? 2. Where does the gaseous exchange occur in humans? कहाँ पे होती है gaseous exchange? In D, alveoli. Which structure activates help in taking air out of the lungs? Its answer is D, diaphragm. Next is the primary chemical stimulants for breathing is the concentration of carbon dioxide in blood. A is the answer of question number 6. Then 7, point out the false statement about respiration. Its answer is C. In emphysema, the wall of alveoli break and there is more surface area. Okay. And then 8, a disease involving the breakdown of a air cycle of lung is called the D, emphysema. And question number 9, which process does not occur in nasal cavity? Answer is D, exchange of gases. And then question number 10, what type of blood vessels surround the alveoli? Capillary is the answer. Okay, this is MCQs, and this is the end of chapter. I hope you have learned it and understand it. Okay, from today I think it's enough. Allah Hafiz.